Hello everyone, my name is Suman Dua and I'm a registered migration agent at Nationwide Migration and Education. We make videos every week in regards to Australian migration, and if you are interested in this topic, you may wish to subscribe to our channel. In this video today, we will be talking about all the latest updates about the Temporary Graduate Visa Subclass 485 and COVID Pandemic Visa Subclass 408. We have a good news that the government has extended post-study work rights to give eligible international higher education graduates with select qualifications an additional 2 years on their Temporary Graduate Visa Subclass 485. Post-study work rights for select degrees in areas of verified skills shortages will be increased from 2 years to 4 years for select bachelor degrees, 3 years to 5 years for select master's degrees, 4 years to 6 years for all doctoral qualifications. To implement the extension, lists of occupations in demand and related qualifications were developed through a mapping process undertaken by Jobs and Skills Australia and the Department of Education. All doctoral studies are considered eligible for the measure, regardless of field of study, and so are not listed individually. We will be putting the link of the eligible qualifications in the description below. Now please note that these targeted skills will be considered on an annual basis and updated as needed in response to the labour market. Existing regional and remote Australia settings for the 485 extension stream will be maintained and where relevant will be eligible for the additional 2 years. Department has advised that they will provide more details on eligibility and how to apply for the extended temporary graduate visa closer to 1st July 2023. There are transitional arrangements in place to support other graduates. Temporary graduate visa holders in Australia whose visas expired or will expire between 1st September 2022 and 1st July 2023, or temporary graduate visa holders who were in Australia throughout the pandemic period and are therefore not eligible for the 485 replacement stream, may be eligible for the COVID-19 Pandemic Event Subclass 408 visa with a 2 years stay period. You must be working in Australia or have an offer of employment to be eligible for this visa. You must apply 90 days before your 485 visa expires or 28 days after your 485 visa expires to be eligible for a pandemic event visa. If you're granted a 408 pandemic event visa, you will not be eligible to then apply separately for an extended temporary graduate visa. There is some more information on the Department of Home Affairs website under the 408 pandemic visa page. It mentions that if you are a temporary graduate visa holder in Australia, you may apply for and be granted a pandemic event visa with a 2-year period of stay instead of a 485 extension if your temporary graduate visa expires before 1st July 2023, or you're not eligible to apply for a 485 extension on 1st July 2023, or you currently have an unfinalized 408 visa application and you held a 485 visa at the time you made that application. Now it will be interesting to see if there will be an application fee for the 485 visa, as the 408 visa has nil application fee. There might be some graduates who will be eligible for both 408 and 485 visa, and they may want to pick and choose the type of visa they would like to lodge depending on the application fees. It also seems like that the current arrangements for a 1-year 408 visa will still be in place. So if you are someone who already has a COVID visa and would like to get another one for 1 year duration, that option is still available. So if you're considering applying for a COVID visa, please book through the link in the description. Stay updated about Australia's immigration. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel.